Guys, I just did a bentonite clay, Epson salt, and borax, and baking soda. Now, all that dirt is not me, so don't start that shit. But, you see all these black particles in there? That was not in my tub when I got in there. Now, I sat in some water hot as I could stand it. And I sat in there for at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Look, I'm already menopausal, so too much heat is just gonna send me swinging. But this is it. Now, all this stuff here is the mixture of the clay and Epsom salt. But if you can see these black particles here, this is actually from doing that detox bath. Now, I have no idea what this is. I tried to touch it. I had picked one up, and I had tried to touch it. My camera's not focusing that well. I tried to touch it, and it felt kind of gooey. And I didn't take the jab, so that ain't no issue. So, that black stuff was not in my tub, and it was not on my body. So, maybe it came out of my body. I have no idea. So, there you go. Hey, I don't know. I know it wasn't in there before I got in there. Tell me what you think. Bye.